Afternoon. Well, first of all, I pay respect to the county officials and our school president here and the board. And thank you everyone for coming out for us. Thank you so much for all the love and support and all this hospitality. This is our last night in Virginia. Starting from tomorrow morning, we'll be in Washington, D.C., which is our last state, right? And then from there, we'll still have 2 or 3 days more before we head back to Fort Worth, Texas. And so today, weather after lunch is pretty good. And up until now, it's still very good, right? It's not that cold as yesterday and the day before. So thanks for that. And of course, tonight we will be able to rest inside and ready for tomorrow. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming out. Oh, that's the question is, hello guys, resting. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I have something. Yeah, please.
Okay, I just realized that this is our last talk. Right? From here, because after this you have to go home, right? Yes. To rest? Yes?
Yes.
And I ask you a question. Today is Monday. So you don't have to go to work?
We do.
How come so many people out there on the road? Well, Virginia don't have to go to work. Well, back then, North Carolina don't have to go to work. Now, Virginia. Thank you so much for that. Well, thank you for coming out for the peace mission. And by seeing all of you coming out for peace, it tells me that we deeply need it.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
And for that reason, that is the reason why we are coming out for this movement from the Venerable Monks. We've been walking, this is the 107 days. So after 107 days, we have seen so much peace has been bloom and flourished from Texas all the way here. It's because all of you willing to let go of everything, willing to pause and stop from doing everything to come for this mission, to join together with the Venerable Monks. And so how many of us already practice what I talk about?
Yes. Peaceful day.
Today is your peaceful day, only you. How about the others? Yes? Okay, I hope that everyone are practicing, because without practicing, we will never have peace. If we just sit there and wait for peace to come from the others to bring it to us, it will not happen. It will never, ever happen. We just have to work for it, because peace always begins from within. And we have to have time to look back within. Look back. Don't head out there anymore. The more you head out there, the more that world gonna spin you. And then you suffer. We've been suffer enough, more than enough. We don't need to go back to those old days anymore. And of course, all those already passed. It's already become a history. We cannot undo it. Is that right? Yes. But we can forgive and let go. We forgive all those people who have hurt and injured us. We also ask those people to forgive us if we had done anything that is hurtful to them as well. And the last thing, we have to forgive ourselves. Without forgiving ourselves, we cannot move forward. Right? We have done a lot of things in our life that is very hurtful to the others and ourselves. And many times we cannot forgive ourselves. We hold those regretful things and live with it. Over a month already passed for this year of 2026. I truly hope all of us will let go of all those past, regardless how bad it is. We have to let it go. Without letting it go, it will wear you down, it will pull you down all the way. And we cannot move forward, we cannot have a peaceful day. While we really need peace, and this is a practice. Forgiving is a practice. That is compassion, that is loving kindness. You have to love yourself. You have to love yourself enough to let go of all those angers and all those hatred and all those unhappy things in life. Give yourself a chance to do better. Give yourself a chance to have peace for your life and your family's member. Once you are all at peace, your family members will also be at peace. They don't have to see your frustration face, sadness face, stress face whenever you come home. Is that right? Yes. But if they can see you happy and peaceful, they also gonna be the same. Let us all put our left hand on top of our heart and the right hand on top of our left hand. Gently close our eyes. Take a deep breath. Another deep breath. And another one. Feel those heartbeats. Feel it. Focus in it. Now remember your parents' faces within your heart. Imagine their face within your heart. Think of them. There are times that they really need us. We always tell them that we are busy. This time they just need you to call. You respond with, I'll call you later, but that moment never comes. There's times that they prepare dinner, sitting on that sofa waiting for you to come home. The food are getting cold and colder, yet you are not home. There are times that they sit in front of that door waiting for you to come home. You're still not home. Many times you have hurt them. You leave that door, left them with tears. They have cried for us so much. Their love towards their children is like all the water in the oceans. But our love towards our parents, it's just like a drop of rain on top of the leaf. It will dry down when the sun rises. Now we ask them to forgive us. With or without intention, we have hurt and injured them. We ask our parents to forgive us. We also forgive our parents if they have done something, anything that is hurtful to us. Now imagine, remember all your loved ones within your heart. The same way we have hurt and injured them, they also did the same. We are here asking for forgiveness. We willing to forgive them. Now think of all the friends and all beings with or without intentions. Because of unwisdom, we have hurt and injured them. We ask them to forgive us. We also forgive them. Now think of your face, yourself. Look at you within your heart. Because of unwisdom, unmindful, you have hurt and injured yourself. Create so many unwholesome things towards all beings. You are now asking yourself to forgive yourself. Give yourself a chance. And promise from here until the end of our life, we will not repeat the same mistake again. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That is the forgiveness meditation that we really need in life. Now that we forgive the other, and the other's forgiven us, and we forgive ourselves, let us all move on for the rest of this year and for the rest of our life with only loving kindness and compassion and peace. By practicing mindfulness every single day. Feel your heartbeat. Keep feeling your heartbeat. Stay focused with it. And every day, in the morning when you wake up, always get a pen and a paper out and write out the statement, say, today is going to be my peaceful day. Write that statement down. Remember, even you already memorize it, still have to write it down, because giving our hand and our mind the same job to do, pairing it, it will be very helpful and powerful. After you write that down, read it over and over with our eyes. Now our eyes and our mind is pairing. Read it over and over. After that, read it out loud with our mouth. Now our mouth is pairing with our mind. Tell the universe that today is going to be my peaceful day, so that no one in this world can mess it up, except ourselves. You are the only one who can mess your days up. Remember, if I hold the fire rope, if I throw it to you, it's your choice to hold it or not, to grab it or not. Is that right?
Yes.
If you choose to grab it, you and I both will become barbecue. Okay? If you choose not to hold it, I barbecue myself. I burn myself. Means anything that this world throwing at you, anything that your family members or your friends or your co-worker or strangers saying to you, doing to you, if you choose not to receive, if you choose not to react, it comes back to them. It belongs to them, not yours. They the one who suffer, not you. We should be clever enough to choose not to react every single time. It's because we are not mindful, that's why we always react. And the more we react, the suffer we are. That is the reason why I always share mindfulness technique for us to practice. When we are mindful enough, we will not react. Even if you want to react, if you choose to react, only react with kindness. May you be well, be happy, and be peaceful. That is what I always react for the last 107 days, wherever I go. When people curse us, when people yell at us and shout at us, that is how I react with a smile and continue my walk. I will not stop because of that. Same thing, we have to do like that to help ourselves, to change us. If we wait and wait and wait, we really don't know when we're going to die. And this world will not wait for us. But we don't have to chase after the world. We just have to slow down. Slow down. Don't rush. Don't chase. Be mindful. Do one thing at a time. Do not multitask. That is the key. Very important. And practice that every day if you could. You will make your day peaceful. And that is how peace begins. Let us all repeat after me one time. Today is going to be my peaceful day after I count to 3, okay? 1, 2, and 3.
Today is going to be my peaceful day.
Louder.
Today is going to be my peaceful day.
You hear that sound and you can feel that energy of all the people here doing that, saying that together, right? With the power of it, with that energy, if we can spread that to the universe every single day, all human beings doing the same thing, instead of hatred and anger and delusion and greedy and all those things, now we only spread loving kindness, compassion, and peace message to the universe. It will receive, it will feel it, it will shower back down with love and kindness and compassion and peace, so that this world will become a better place for us to live. Will you walk with us? Yes. On this path? Yes. This is our path that we need to walk on. It doesn't matter how difficult it is. It's always challenge in between, always obstacles in between. The road always up and down like a roller coaster. It cannot be flat, it cannot be smooth. We just have to walk on that road with any conditions. That is how it makes us different from the others. So let us all walk together and let us all change this world to be a better place for our future generation to live and for ourselves to live. May you all be well, be happy, and be peaceful. Thank you, Virginia, for all that love and support and the hospitality. We feel it, even though in this cold. And we will continue our journey to Washington, D.C. But remember, Washington, D.C. is not the final destination. Until world peace means we have to walk for the rest of our life. Yes. Okay, thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Do you miss Aloka?
Yes, I miss Aloka.
You're not
getting
that?
Warm and inside.
Well, the best